Hello students. See, waste is generated in our environment. Last week we were discussing about the two types of wastes. No, what is that? Household wastes and house wastes from school. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, we will see now one by one. First we will see household wastes. See, wastes from home is known as household wastes. So we are what is that? We are removing the wastes. No, we are what is that? Throw the wastes. No, in our home. That is called household wastes. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, we are using some of the objects, materials. No, after that it is if it is broken, that is called wastes. You know what I'm saying? uh, that is called wastes. So what kind of wastes it is? Household wastes. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, very good. See, so solid wastes disposed from home and apartments. Home and apartment. Home means individual house. Apartments means they are living so many families. That is called apartments. That both both comprise of garbage and rubbish. Comprise of garbage and rubbish. Okay, we can classify household wastes as below. Yeah, some of them I gave see that. First one, organic wastes. What is that? Organic wastes. Kitchen wastes, vegetables, flowers, leaves, fruits. They are called organic wastes. உயிருள்ள பொருட்கள் இருக்குல்ல, லைக் பிளான்ஸ், லீவ்ஸ், வெஜிடபிள்ஸ், ஃப்ளவர்ஸ், ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் we are eating, no, that food only give for us energies, no. After our mummy cutting the vegetables, after remove the unnecessary part, that is called wastes. Do you understand what I'm saying? So our mummy simply she will throw the inside the dustbins. Do you understand what I'm saying? They are called organic wastes. Then see that toxic wastes, நச்சு பொருட்கள், toxic wastes, old medicines, paints, chemicals, bulbs, spray cans, fertilizers, pesticides containers, batteries, shoe polish. They are called toxic wastes. Yeah, toxic wastes only. We can't we should not eat that. We should not eat that. If we eat, we will be get lot of we will be get some disease. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, that's why I say see that old medicines, paints, chemicals, bulbs, spray cans, fertilizers means உரம்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. தென் பெஸ்டிசைட்ஸ் கண்டெய்னர்ஸ், இந்த பூச்சி மருந்து அடிப்பாங்களா அந்த கண்டெய்னர் ப்ரோக் ஆகிடுச்சுன்னா அதெல்லாம் நம்ம வந்து தொடக்கூடாது. Do you understand what I'm saying? Then batteries, yeah, batteries. Then shoe polish also, they are called toxic wastes. Then recyclable wastes, paper, glass, metals, plastics. Recyclable means we will use again one time. We will use again one time means if it is broken, we will give to what is it, old shopkeepers. They will what is it, அதை வந்து புதுசாக ஒரு பொருளாக மாற்றிடுவாங்க. யூனிவர்சல் வாட் இஸ் அதை பிளாஸ்டிக்ஸ் ஐட்டம்லாம் கொடுத்தோம்னா அவன் என்ன பண்ணுவான், அதை எடுத்து போய்ட்டு ஃபேக்ட்ரி கொடுத்து அதை அந்த ஃபேக்ட்ரியில் அதை உருக்கி புதுசாக ஒரு பொருளாக மாற்றுவாங்க. திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் ரீசைக்கிள் வேஸ்டஸ். யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் வாட் ஐம் சேயிங்? வாட் இஸ் தட்? பேப்பர், கிளாஸ், மெட்டல்ஸ் அண்ட் பிளாஸ்டிக்ஸ். Next we will see solid wastes. See, clothes soiled with blood and other body fluids. Yeah, clothes soiled. You know that cotton. If you get any wound, doctors will tie the cotton. No, cotton cloth. No, do you understand what I'm saying? It has blood. It has another fluid. இந்த சீடு சொல்லுவாங்க அதெல்லாம் இருக்குல்ல. ஆஃப்டர் வாட் இஸ் இட், அந்த புண்ணு குணமாச்சு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோமா, அதை தூக்கி வெளியே கடாச்சிடுவோம்ல. தட் இஸ் கால்ட் சாலிட் வேஸ்டஸ். ஓகே, இட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ கைண்ட் ஆஃப் டாக்ஸிக் வேஸ்டஸ். டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் வாட் ஐம் சேயிங்? தென் வேஸ்டஸ், மின்சாதன பொருட்கள் சொல்லுவாங்க. வேஸ்டஸ், கம்ப்யூட்டர் பார்ட்ஸ், எலக்ட்ரானிக் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ், செல்ஃபோன்ஸ் பார்ட்ஸ், CFL bulbs. They are called wastes. 40 million tons of electronic waste is generated every year worldwide. What is this? 40 million tons of electronic waste is generated every year worldwide. E-waste comprises 70% of our overall toxic waste. Then e-waste contains hundreds of substances, of which many are toxic. நிறைய சப்ஸ்டன்சஸ் இருக்குது, அதில் நிறைய வந்து டாக்ஸிக் வேஸ்டஸ் தான், ரொம்ப நச்சு பொருட்கள் தான். Do you understand what I'm saying? They are called e-wastes. See that picture. Then we will see wastes from school. Now we completed household wastes. We will see now wastes from school. Yeah, you are wasting so many. See that you leave many wastes materials inside your classrooms and throw away many things in the school campus. Yeah, you always doing like this only. If you are told any paper, if you are scribbled any paper, simply if you are eating what is that chocolate, that wrappers, we will sorry, you will throw outside campus, outside of the our school campus. Do you understand what I'm saying? It is not a good discipline. See, if they are not collected and disposed properly, your environment will be polluted. Yeah, if it is disposed properly, what is that? If it is disposed properly, we should what is that? We should follow the environment. If we are not disposed properly, our environment will be polluted. So our environment is very very important. Do you understand what I'm saying? Then the single most common materials generated in school is food waste. Yeah, food waste. We are eating lunchtime, in lunch, after finish your lunch, waste food are also there. No, do you understand what I'm saying? We will throw outside is simply we will throw outside. Okay, it is not good. You know what I'm saying? Then food is not only wasted, but it is also thrown away everywhere, making your surrounding unclean. Yeah, simply we are throwing outside of the campus. It is not a good. Okay, we will throw the inside the dustbin. It is very very important. Do you understand what I'm saying? Very good, students. See, in survey, what is that government taking survey? What is that? In survey conducted, it is found that food waste accounts for 23.9% of the total wastes generated in the school, and recyclable paper like cardboard, white paper, and mixed papers accounts for 23.5% of the total waste. It is the survey. இவ்வளோ நீங்கள் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணுறீங்க ஒரு நாளைக்கு. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, next. To keep our surroundings clean, we need to have a proper waste disposal system. So if we keep our surroundings, if we keep our clean surroundings, we should need some proper waste disposal system. Do you understand what I'm saying? So we should follow that. It is very very important. Very good, student. Yeah, need for proper disposal of waste. Need for proper disposal of waste. See that first one, to control pollution. If we control pollution, what we do, see that various pollutions like water pollutions, air pollution, and soil pollution can be avoided. Yeah, we should follow the proper disposal for wastes. We should what is that? We should avoid the pollution for water pollution and air pollution and soil pollution. Do you understand what I'm saying? Then to conserve natural resources. Yeah, natural resources is very very important. You know what I'm saying? See, waste disposal is important for the conservation of our environmental resources like forest, minerals, and water. We should conserve the forest, minerals, and water. So if we conserve that kind of resources, we should dispose properly for wastes. Do you understand what I'm saying? Very good, student. Then to control spread of diseases. Yeah, mostly for example dengue, whatever fever, if spread environment, what is that environment only what is that environmental, if we pollute environmental, we'll be get lot of diseases. Do you understand what I'm saying? The dengue அதெல்லாம் பரவுதில்ல, இந்த காலம் இந்த சுற்றி இருக்கிற அந்த சூழ்நிலை வந்து மாற்றத்தால் தான் அது நடக்குது. How can it is changed? We only change it. How can we change it that? We simply throw the wastes. Okay, we can't disposal properly. That is very important. Okay, we should dispose properly. Do you understand what I'm saying? If we are not to dispose properly that wastes, we will get lot of diseases. Do you understand what I'm saying? Very good, student. Next, recycle for further use. Yeah, wastes can be recycled to get products for further use. Recycle means if we use what is that plastic bags, then bottles, what is the glass bottles, what is that after broken this, we will give to old shopkeeper. அவர் என்ன பண்ணுவார், அதை வந்து புதுசாக ஒரு பொருளை உருவாக்கும். It is called recyclable wastes. Do you understand what I'm saying? So proper disposal is very very important. Very good. Next we see waste to reduce wastes. See, use reusable and recyclable bags and containers. Yeah, we should use reuse and recyclable. Reusable product, which one ma? Cotton bag, then what is that, plastic bag, plastic tub, plastic dustbin, then glass items. Do you understand what I'm saying? They are called reusable items. Then next, recyclable. mm, Recyclable. Now I told, no, glass, water bottle, whatever, no, tub water, after it is broken, you will go to shopkeeper, old shopkeeper, they will change the new one, new object. Do you understand what I'm saying? They are called recyclable bags, recyclable product, but they are giving here recyclable bags. Which one recyclable bags? Yeah, now I told, no, plastic bags, the nylon bags, that is called recyclable bags. That's all, student. Next we will see, avoid one-time use items and use items which can be used permanently. Yeah, avoid one-time use items. It is very very important. Yeah, we are nowadays we are using most of the time, what is that, carry bag, plastic bags. You know what I'm saying? It is, we should avoid that. Okay, if you use that carry bag, after we take out that what is the products, we will simply throw outside that bag. Do you understand what I'm saying? அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய போட்டிங்கன்னா என்வரன்மெண்டல் தான் பாதிக்கப்படும். Do you understand? So we should avoid that kind of items, one time use items. We should use permanent item, like a plastic bag, cotton bag. We should use permanent item. Do you understand what I'm saying? Then segregate wastes into biodegradable and non-biodegradable items and hand over them to the municipal and corporation people who collect them. Yeah, it is very very important. We should follow the biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. Sir, which one biodegradable, sir? You asked. I know your mind. See that biodegradable. We our mummy cutting the vegetables, grass. What is it? Greens. Then after we are using food, no, that kind of materials. Do you understand what I'm saying? அது நம்ம சாப்பிட்ட பிறகு மிச்சம் வேஸ்ட் ஆகிடணுமா இல்லாமல் unnecessary part. After cutting that vegetables, என்ன ஆகும், மிச்சம் தேவையில்ல பொருளெல்லாம் மம்மி ஒதுக்கி வைப்பாங்களே, அதுதான் வந்து என்னது, biodegradable wastes. We are eating food and waste food also biodegradable wastes. So இதெல்லாம் biodegradable wastes and non-biodegradable wastes, like broken plastic items, then broken glass, then broken what is that, so many plastic items, they are called what is a non-biodegradable item. அது வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம், நம்ம வந்து என்ன சொல்கிறது, பாக்டீரியா அண்ட் ஃபங்கி இருக்குல்ல, அது வந்து என்ன பண்ணுது, டீகம்போஸ் பண்ணாது, அது சிதைக்காது. For example, if we take some of the biodegradable item, we will throw outside. See, after 1 week, what is that, it is decomposed. மண்ணோட மண்ணை ஃபுல்லாக கம்போஸ் ஆகி மண்ணோட மண்ணாக ஆகிட்டு இருக்கான். எப்படி அது, இந்த மைக்ரோ ஆர்கானிசம் இருக்குல்ல, அது என்ன பண்ணும், அதை வந்து டீகம்போஸ் பண்ணும், சிதைக்கும். saying, but micro organism can't decomposable that non-biodegradable item. மக்காத குப்பை, அது பேர் non-biodegradable. ஓகேவா? So it doesn't decompose that kind of product. So we should separate that two types. Okay, after municipal and corporation people who will come, we will give to them. So it is non-biodegradable, it is biodegradable. Do you understand what I'm saying? It is very very good things. That's all. Next, don't throw away your wastes everywhere. Put them in dustbins and dispose them properly. Yeah, you are doing always like this only. Simply you are eating whatever one, then wastes are there, no, simply you throw outside. Then you broken pencils, a pen. Do you understand what I'm saying? After broken, we will simply throw outside. Then plastic item, one time use plastics, carry bag, so many we will throw simply outside. It is not good. We should throw inside the dustbin. It is very very important. It is only good discipline. Do you understand what I'm saying? Very good, student. Next, don't waste food. Yeah, very very important. Don't waste food. நிறைய பேர் ஃபுட் இல்லாமல் இருக்காங்க. நிறைய பேர் ஏழைகள்லாம் ஃபுட் இல்லாமல் இருக்காங்கல்ல. ஸோ அவங்களெல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது நம்ம வந்து உணவு சேமிக்கணும். You understand what I'm saying? Don't waste food. Waste food in schools can be collected and used to feed cattle. Yeah, very very important. Yeah, நம்ம வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஃபுட்டு பிடிக்கலன்னு சொல்லி எடுத்து போய் கீழே கொட்டுவோம். Do you understand what I'm saying? We should not do that. We should collect that kind of food. Give to we will use it to food feed cattle. மாடு ஆடுங்கள்லாம் சாப்பிடல. What is a dog is there? No, they will eat. No, do you understand what I'm saying? ஸோ அவங்களெல்லாம் நம்ம தரலாம் இந்த உணவுலாம். வெரி குட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட். Then organic wastes can be converted into manure. Organic wastes, now I told vegetables item, greens items. Then what is that? Some of the food items, they are called organic wastes. We will be converted into manure. Manure is no uram. Okay, do you understand what I'm saying? That's all student, very good. See that now we were discussing about before the some topics. No, see that I gave here pyramid like. See, reduce. How can we reduce the wastage? Okay, நிறைய யூஸ் பண்ணாமல் கம்மியாக யூஸ் பண்ணோம்னா ரெடியூஸ் ஆகும். You understand what I'm saying? Then reuse. How can we use reusable items? Reusable items. How can we use that reusable item? திரும்ப யூஸ் பண்ணுறது. That is called permanent item. For example, cotton bag. Do you understand what I'm saying? Then recyclable item. Broken, if broken, what is it? Plastic tub, plastic dustbin, plastic materials, then glass materials. We will then paper. We will tear that papers, newspapers. We will recycle that items. We will go to old shopkeeper. They will recycle that item. அது என்னன்னா அது ஃபுல்லாக உருக்கி அவன் புதுசாக ஒரு பொருளை ரெடி பண்ணுவான். அதை நம்ம வந்து திரும்ப வேறு ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட்டை யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். Do you understand what I'm saying? They are called recyclable item. Why they are called recyclable item? Microorganism doesn't decompose that kind of item. Do you understand what I'm saying? மக்கா போய் சொல்லுவாங்க. Another name, non-biodegradable. Do you understand what I'm saying? Very good. Next, disposal. What does that mean? Disposal, we can't use that items, we can't use that wastes. இதுக்கப்புறம் அது நம்மளால் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணவே முடியாது. அது வந்து வேறு மாதிரி நம்ம வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணவே முடியாது. நான் என்ன பண்ணுவோம், அதை வந்து டிஸ்போஸ் பண்ணுவோம். How can we dispose that? We will go to municipal man or corporation man will come to our home. No, we will go to them. They will dispose that kind of item. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, that's all student. I completed. We will see remaining. We have evaluation only. We will see later. Thank you.